Right, boys and girls, back again. We are installing a Symposer Delete Kit on the Ford Focus ST. I brought a Puma Speed one, if you can, if it focuses. No? No? Okay. Anyway, a Puma Speed one. I mean, you sort of pay for quality, so I thought I'd buy a more expensive one, but yeah. So I'll get to it when I install it. Alright guys, so first off, what you want to do is pull this pipe off. And out of here as well. That's your first step. This is the Symposer here. So there's a little clip down there, but you need to take the headlight out first. So let me cut to that. Put your headlight to one side. Right. Now, down here, if you can see, right here, you just need to pull the clamp together, clip it, and then you can pull this whole Symposer out here. Right, now the clip's off. So I'll take you. Now you should want to jimmy this out. Oh, there we go. Right, and then now, pop this clip off. Just use these. Right, so this is next. So all you want to do, this end that you've just took the thing off, basically just want to put that Basically just want to bung that in there and then clip it back up. I'm going to use this new clip though. Yeah, and then put that back onto wherever you got it from. Right boys, all deleted. Got my lovely Puma Speed in there. You can just throw this away now, you don't need it. But all it really does is put cabin noise into there and you just get boost leaks on this, so looking a lot more flush. So I shall see you in the next one. It was a bit of a long video, but sometimes things don't always go to plan. But like, comment, subscribe and all that fun stuff, and I'm sure I'll be doing more to the car, just need the weather and space and time to do it all, so see ya.
Get back to the days when I was in the lab. Only day one to me, all the rest trash. Y'all made excuses, I was making racks. Start me like nice child, that's too bad. Boy, you better watch your mouth before I pop off in the campgrounds. Nah, Jason wanna rest, no doubt. Better pop off in the campgrounds. Nah.